Kamusta, 9th graders? This is Teacher Dina again, at ako ang inyong gabay para sa Quarter 2, Week 2. Our topic for this Week 2 is indirect or inverse variation. And at the end of this virtual lesson, you should be able to illustrate situations that involves indirect variation. So let us define indirect or inverse variation. A relationship between two variables in which the product is a constant. When one variable increases, the other decreases in proportion so that the product is unchanged. So unlike sa direct variation, dito sa inverse variation, when one variable increases, the other variable decreases or vice versa. These are the following phrases that you will encounter in an inverse variation. First, if y is inversely proportional to x. And second, if y varies inversely as x. Take note for the word clues. We have inversely proportional or indirectly proportional, and varies inversely or varies indirectly. So in an inverse variation, the dependent variable is y and x is the independent variable. In writing the mathematical equation for inverse or indirect variation, mauunang isulat ang variable before the word clue, so that is y, then followed by the independent variable x. So as you can see, k and x are in a fraction form. The independent variable x is located at the denominator and the constant k is located at the numerator. So we have the mathematical equation for the inverse or indirect variation as y equals k over x. Take note that k is the constant of variation. So let's have activity 1, need the translator. Direction is, write an equation for the following statements. Sample 1, the speed r of a moving object varies inversely as the time t traveled. So the mathematical equation will be r equals k over t. Take note that k is the constant of variation. Example 2, the number of days d needed in repairing a house is inversely proportional as the number of men m working. So the mathematical equation will be d equals k over m. And the last example, the length of a violin string S varies inversely as the frequency of its vibrations v. So the mathematical equation will be S equals k over v. Para naman sa activity 2, answer me indirectly. The direction is, write IV if it illustrates indirect variation and NI if it does not. Take note that the mathematical equation for an inverse or indirect variation is in the form y equals k over x, and k is the constant of variation. So let's have example 1, d equals negative 4s. Indirect ba siya or not indirect? Not indirect variation or NI. Example 2, y equals 7 over x. So it is an indirect or inverse variation, IV. Last example, a equals negative 3 over b. Correct. Inverse variation, so IV. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next virtual instruction.